Hey everybody, this is Diva Dane of the Craft Divas. In this tutorial, I'll be going over the burnish pigments process on a tumbler. First, you will need to have a spray painted black tumbler and make sure that spray paint is completely dry. Next, I am using Wicked Stick It from Wicked Shimmer Supply Company and Flip Chameleon Pigment from Glitter It Perfect. You want to find a fluffy makeup brush and start applying that Wicked Stick It onto the tumbler, making sure that it is completely coated and that the bottom or the butt of the tumbler is also completely covered. If you have any puddles on the tumbler, you want to make sure that you spread that Wicked Stick It evenly over the tumbler and you do not have any of those puddles. Next, make sure that you put your brush right away into a glass jar of water or whatever that you have. Now we're going to dry the Wicked Stick It onto the tumbler. You will know when it's completely dry, when it's no longer milky. Next, take another makeup brush and start applying the pigment onto the tumbler, making sure that it is completely covered. A tip for this is wear a mask while you're doing this because the pigments are flying all over the place as you're applying it to the tumbler. Don't forget to apply the pigment to the butt or the bottom of the tumbler. Now for the burnishing process is you will need to get a microfiber towel and you are going to start brushing or rubbing in that pigment onto the tumbler. That is what is called burnishing. You want to make sure that it is completely flat and no longer the raw pigment that you apply is sticking up. After you've done this, you will see the pigment shifting to 6 to 7 colors. That is what the chameleon pigment does. It shifts to the different colors. I hope this tutorial helped, and if you have any questions, post them on the comment. Have a good day.